Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video. Today we're going to be installing another video. Today we're going to be installing these side mirrors on the 240. We're going to be replacing the stock ones, and we got these mirrors off Frsport.com. These are by Gent5. I believe they were around 80 bucks, so not too bad on the wallet there. So we're going to go ahead and install them, and I'll show you guys how to install them. Super easy install, and it's going to change the look of your car completely. So let's get started right now.
What's that here?
Alright guys, so we're going to start off by removing the stock mirror, and to remove the stock mirror, it's just three 10 mils that are behind this little cover here. Now to remove this cover, it just pops off, but we're going to loosen up the door panel first, and you got to pop off this little cap right here, which is super simple. Just take a flathead, bam, there you go. Now we're going to loosen up this screw, and this is going to become loose, and now we're able to pop this out because it actually tucks in to the door trim a little bit, into the door card. So I'm going to go ahead and remove that, and I'll show you what that's like right now, and then we'll go ahead and take off the three nuts that hold the screw in, and we'll replace them with the new one right there. Alright, so with the screw from the door card removed, as you can see, we have a lot more play now. So now we just pop this off just like that. Simple. Bring it around, and there you go, that's off. Now we're going to take off these three bolts you see here, and those three are the ones that hold the stock mirror. So I'll go ahead and break these loose, and I'll show you guys when I pull out the mirror. Alright guys, so now all three bolts are loose. Now it's going to give it a good little wiggle, and the mirror comes right off. That simple. That's all it is to take off the stock mirror on these 240s. Super simple. Now we're going to go ahead and install that new Aero style mirror on the 240. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright, so the way the new mirrors work, they're actually a two-piece compared to the stock one-piece. Now this will sit right here just like that, like the stock mirror does, and then the actual mirror will sit on the base plate itself. So we're actually going to screw the mirror onto the base plate, just three little screws, and we'll put this whole thing in as if it were a one-piece mirror like the stock one. So like I said, it just sits right on it like that. Bam. Now go ahead and screw that in, and then we'll go ahead and install it. Super simple install, you guys. Anybody could do this. So if you're looking for these mirrors, I'll put a link down below. Super cheap, super easy, and it'll change the look of your car. And they actually kind of look like Gana doors. So, and actually pretty good quality too. Not bad. So I'm gonna go ahead and install these right away. Alright, so I got the base plate on the actual mirror now. So now it's a one piece. Now all you gotta do is go ahead, put it on your door again, and then just screw it in from the back, and that'll be all. So super easy install, guys. I keep saying this, but it's super easy. Just three screws that hold the base plate to the mirror, and three screws that hold the mirror to the actual car. So I'm gonna go ahead and screw it in and show you guys what it looks like when I'm done. Alright guys, so I got all three screws back in, and that's it. The mirror's on. I'm just gonna go ahead and put this back and clip it on, which I'll do off camera. And I gotta tighten back the door panel with that screw, but that's pretty much it. See how it looks with the door closed. Damn, not bad. Look at that. Get some nice air going through here when you're picking up speed. So yeah, again, these are the mirrors by Gent5, and I got them off, well, we got them off Frsport for 80 bucks, super cheap. For 80 bucks, this is awesome. Check it out. And they're not cheap either. They're pretty good quality. And I actually like that the mirror has a bluish tint. I don't know if the camera's picking it up. It's kind of have a blue tint to it. So super clean. Get some JDM points with these, you know. So that's pretty it for today. Super easy, you guys. Anybody can do this. Definitely check out this product. Like I said, I'll put a link in the description down below. And that's all.